How to fix TikTok account does not exist problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. Next, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for TikTok application over here. And just make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application on your device. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means that the app is updated to its latest version. Next, go back and then make a long press on TikTok application and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on clear cache and then OK. You can also tap on clear all data and delete all data if it's convenient for you. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. Now go back and tap on TikTok account again and try to open up, and the problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.